Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gillian and today we will be revamping this old wig. Wig Revamp is a service that we provide on our website for clients to take their old wigs from looking like this, old and raggedy, to looking brand new. So you're gonna watch me transform this wig. The closure was balding, so we're going to change the closure. The wig was big, so we're going to resize the wig, put an adjustable elastic band in the wig, put wig combs, and then sew any tracks that are loose. So stay tuned for that in this episode. Right now I'm taking off the old band that was in the wig so we can have more room to sew any tracks that are loose, and then also add an adjustable elastic band, so even if over time the elastic wears out, you can always resize it and it will still make your wig fit. Now onto the fun part. I like to sew all loose tracks on the machine just so it sews the tracks properly. Even though this wig was made by hand, I just like to go over the wefts that are loose with a sewing machine so it stays strong. Also, I resized the cap on the sewing machine. I've never done this before, but I did, and it turned out great. So that's what I'm going to be doing from now henceforth. But yeah, when you order this service, be rest assured your wig is going to be reinforced and all tracks are going to be put together. So for this revamp, like I mentioned earlier, my client wanted to switch the closure, so I'm going to take this old closure apart and put a brand new closure that I already bleached the knots. And all I'm using is just a little scissors to cut the tracks. This was sewn by hand, so it's a little easier to take out. I'm just going to cut it out and sew on the new closure on the sewing machine, so just stay tuned for that. And then I am also going to add adjustable elastic band and combs into the wig, and we're going to move on to coloring it, so stay tuned. Please, if you are a beginner, do not try this at home. Sewing a closure on a wig cap like this requires skill. You need to practice before trying this at home. If you are still new to replacing your closures, please do this by hand on a mannequin, okay? This requires practice, and I have practiced a lot before I'm able to do this. So please don't try this at home. I'm done sewing the closure on the machine, and as you can see, the closure is really laying flat, and this is what you need when you sew on the machine, all flat. Now I'm going to add the adjustable elastic band. As you can see, you can always take the band out and adjust it like a bra strap. Little tip, if your ends are losing, use a lighter and burn it up like I did, and then sew it on, and that's it. So a little recap on what we've done so far. Closure has been changed, adjustable elastic band has been added, combs have been added, and the wig has been resized. So that is a little bit what you get when you order a revamp service. Now onto coloring. Y'all, I apologize, my angle and color lighting is not the best, so I'm not going to show too much of how I color, but this is what I do. She wanted it styled with highlights in the front and then underneath, so that's what I'm doing. I use my hands because it's a lot easier for me to apply bleach that way, and then I use foil to process the hair faster. This, y'all, literally processed before I was even finished. I used the Blonde Me bleach, and I'll leave a link to where I get it on eBay down below. So I washed, conditioned, and let the wig air dry, and now I am about to style. I'm just plucking a little bit because my client didn't want too much, but then the closure was just a little too dense for me to let it be like that, so I had to pluck a little bit. And then I'm going to show you guys how I curl in this video. I'm not going to be too detailed about it, but y'all can just watch and pretty much see what I do, and also take a look at how I hold my curling one. That's very crucial. And I also use my hot comb to hot comb the parts that the curling one does not touch, like at the top, so I make sure it's flat there, and then I curl. So you don't curl the same on both sides, you curl differently away from the face. As you can see, I switch when I curl on the left side from the right side. So stay tuned, keep watching, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you can do us a favor and subscribe to our channel, we really would appreciate it. And please drop down below in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see, and we will get that done for you. But thank you so much, and please don't forget to share this video to wherever might like it. And also, if you had an old wig that you wanted to throw away, send it to us, honey. We're gonna make sure it is back to looking new like this wig. And if you need a closure to switch it up, order it from our website at www.gancyfame.com, and we will get it done for you. Once you get a closure from us, we'll replace it for free. Otherwise, you can get your own closure and send it to us, and we will revamp and replace the closure for you. So either ways, thank you so much. If you want to get some custom made wigs, visit our website. If you have your own bundles and you want them made into a wig, send it to us. Any other inquiries you have about orders or services, please email us or drop your information on our Instagram, DM us, and we'll respond. Thank you so much, and y'all have a blessed morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are and whatever time you're watching this. Thank you, and until next time.